Hello friends, welcome back to AppIQ here, Andrew here, and I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to do a swipe up guys, and you want to find settings, tap on that. And you want to scroll down to where you'll find wallpaper and style, you want to tap on that. Now at the top here, you will see the current wallpaper that you have, but below you have the option that says change wallpapers. So you want to tap on that and you'll have a few options here. You have the featured ones, which are these images that comes with the phone. So you can choose between whichever image you want here at the top here from all the features, or you can go to your gallery and you can basically choose images here. As you can see, there are different folders that you can choose from, and these are folders from your threads, your camera, your WhatsApp if you have something there, screenshot. If you have additional camera that you have installed, for example, open camera, which I'm using as well, you can see pictures that are actually taken with that, and of course WhatsApp images and so forth, and recent, right? So you can just simply go inside of any one of these folders and you can just simply select the image you want and click on it. For the purpose, I'm going to just select one of the features one here, and we're going to just select something like, we'll choose this one. That doesn't look so bad, right? So you just need to tap on the image there as you see, and you can choose whether you want it to be in the home screen or lock screen. As you can see, there's two check marks here. You can uncheck them if you so desire, and you can just select where you want. If you want both, just leave it on both checked. If you just want one, you can just uncheck the one that you don't want, right? And then simply click on next. And as you can see, you get a preview here of what it will look like, right? Once it is applied to your phone. And if you like it, you can just simply click on done. If not, you can just simply click on wallpapers again and it takes you back, right? And you can select the one that you want. But let's say I like it, I just simply click on done here and it will be applied to my phone. And once you're done, just simply go back to the home, and as you can see, my picture wallpaper there is actually changed. And if I do close my phone, or let's say lock my screen, I will see the same as well. But that's all there is to it, guys. This is very easy and very simple.